Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and I'm so excited about this summer because I have these sandals with a low heel to wear all summer long. They're perfect with any outfit. One of my favorite things about the shoe is the color. The green is absolutely beautiful. I really like that it's a low heel. That way I feel more confident when I'm walking. The straps around your foot are also very comfortable. They fit very well. They're not falling off when you put them on your foot. I really like that you can wear these shoes with any outfit. They're perfect for all year long. It doesn't matter if you're going to be wearing jeans, if you want to dress it up and wear a dress. Underneath, there is a grip that helps you feel more confident when you're walking. I can honestly wear these shoes from morning until nighttime, and I feel like I don't have them on because of how comfortable they are. I really like that the strap doesn't bother my toes as well. So definitely get your hands on these shoes. That's my point of view.